bridge blank here that's sized to my pattern that I use, and I need to get it from this point to basically a finished bridge that's ready to go on a guitar. And so what we're going to be showing you is how we do that, how we put these bevels on each end of the bridge, and the little decorative back bevel, and then the slot for the saddle. And I do that here at the bandsaw. I'll just follow the lines that I've marked on here based on my pattern. So we'll show you how we do that here. I like to put my bridge up against a little square block just to help me hold it straight. So we'll fire up the dust collector and the bandsaw and show you how we do it. I didn't try to get real close to my line with the bandsaw because the bandsaw just isn't that precise of a tool for this type of work. So I'm going to use my oscillating spindle sander here to get my profiles finished on each end of the bridge. Then when I cut this or sand this top bevel, I'll mount the bridge to this angled block that I've created for that purpose. We'll show you that in a minute. So we're ready to sand those profiles. I'm going to turn my sander on, and first I'm going to turn on my dust collector here. So as you can see, I was actually using my square block as basically as a fence. And I was just sliding my bridge back and forth across that. That ensures that I'm going to have a smooth surface on that without any little ripples or bumps along the way. So now let's do the other side. Looks and feels pretty consistent now. So I'm ready to put this top bevel on. And like I said, I'm going to mount my bridge to that with two-sided tape. That holds it at the angle that I want, and we'll work that profile on the top edge now. So again, we turn the dust on. Consistent all the way across now. Now that's going to take a little more hand sanding with a little finer sandpaper. This is a 120 grit drum on here, so I'll take this down to at least 320, and it should look pretty nice. Okay, so I need to get a center line on the top of my bridge here, because my jig is set up so that I have these adjustable wings here, and I just put my bridge in there with the center line on the center of the of my jig, and these little adjustable wings come in and hold it left to right, and then this is adjustable, and I just pull it down, snug it up against the top edge of the bridge. I've got this set up for my quarter cable router that I use for this operation. So all I'll be doing is just following the jig to put my slot in there. I'm going to very carefully lower this in and then push it through my jig. All right, there we go. So there you have the saddle slot. All this bridge needs is its final sanding. We'll get rid of all these 120 sanding marks, and then it'll be ready to go onto a guitar. We don't drill the holes for the bridge pins until it's on the guitar, because we need to know exactly where those holes need to be an 1/8 of an inch off of each side of the fingerboard. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on guitar building.